The best porcelain tile floor cleaning tips that actually work. Dear friends, porcelain tile floors are one of the most durable and stylish flooring options, but keeping them spotless requires the right cleaning routine. The good news? You don't need expensive products to make them shine. Start by sweeping or vacuuming your floor every day. Dust, sand, and tiny dirt particles can act like sandpaper and slowly dull the tile surface over time. Regular cleaning prevents scratches and keeps your floors looking fresh. For weekly cleaning, mix warm water with a few drops of pH-neutral floor cleaner or mild dish soap. Mop the floor gently using a microfiber mop. Avoid using excessive water, as it can leave streaks and dirty grout lines. Never use harsh chemicals, bleach, or abrasive scrubbers on polished porcelain tiles. These products can damage the finish and reduce the natural shine. Instead, use a soft cloth or sponge for stubborn stains. To clean grout lines, make a paste of baking soda and water. Apply it gently with a soft brush, then wipe clean with a damp cloth. This simple trick removes dirt without harming the tiles. Always dry the floor after mopping to prevent water spots and streaks. A clean microfiber cloth works perfectly for this final step. Follow these easy porcelain tile cleaning tips regularly, and your floors will stay sparkling, hygienic, and beautiful for years. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with friends who love a clean home. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.